Hey loves, welcome back to another fashion designer lifestyle video. I am your host, keambranequal, and today we are doing a sewing tutorial on Vogue pattern V1430, which is a loose fitting drapery blouse with an extending collar. This is a very easy sewing pattern. I would definitely recommend this to beginner sewers, which only requires 3 pattern pieces. But pattern piece 1 and 1A will be connected once you cut out the pieces. Well, let's get into the video. The first and most important step, you want to stay stitch all of your curved edges because we are working with knit. Step 2, with right sides together, stitch the collar section of the fronts together along center back. Press the seams open and finish the seams. Step 3, with right sides together and back facing you, pin neck edge of the back to curve neck edge of collar, matching notches, small circles, and centers. Pin shoulder edges together. Clip the neckline for ease and then stitch, stopping exactly at the circles. At the circle, leave the needle in the fabric pivots and continue stitching. Press seam open and finish seams. After sewing the neck and shoulder seams, this is what it should look like so far. Okay, so let's move on to the sleeves. I just wanted to, try out the sleeves and kind of see how it would look. Just putting it on my dress form to kind of get an idea of what it's gonna look like once I sew everything together. And the sleeves are basically the last step. That's all we have, and then after that we're just gonna be finishing up everything else. Before we get into the next clip, I missed a step, which is hemming the cuff of the sleeve. I would highly recommend this step before sewing in the sleeve cap into the armhole. After the sleeve have been sewn into the armhole, we are going to sew and close up the side seam from the wrist cuff to the dots right before the side slits. Okay, so we are finishing up the garments. I would highly recommend for you to pay close attention to your pattern instructions. Press a 1/4 inch wide hem along the entire perimeter of the blouse, except the angular corners. To get the hem, you want to create a miter on corners by sewing the corners with right sides together on an angle. Turn the mitered corners inside out and press under the hem allowance all around the perimeter of the garment, and then stitch close to the edge of the hem allowance. We are done. Hallelujah. All you gotta do is bar tack at the top of the vents to prevent ripping. And find your beautiful button that will go so well with your cardigan, of course. Which I chose the pearl button because I thought it was very classic and ladylike. Every time I wear these sunglasses, I just feel so overly elevated. When I tell you, these sunglasses just do it for me, okay? I definitely look like somebody. Ooh, somebody. Who mama is she? Who mama is that? She looks so fly. Love her hair. Love her look. The outfits just go so well together. This is also another maximalist look. Just because of the jewelry have overly accessorized, and I think it goes so well together. Everything doesn't clash. It looks good. Everything is cute. And you guys know that the open toed booties or boots are a thing for fall. So yeah, I definitely pair them with these chunky cute retro boots. They are also suede in this beautiful chestnut color, and I think it's so gorgeous. And I definitely think it definitely gives. I'm running errands and I'm about to look cute to doing it. Okay. I'm going to the grocery store. I am going shopping. I am going to pick up the kids. You know what I'm saying? Or this can also be a look where you're going to take family pictures, or, just girl, I look good. I'm telling you, this look, this is a look. And it's definitely a look that you would wear on a Saturday morning or a Saturday afternoon. Think this is so gorgeous. I would also wear this going to lunch with, my people, or like, my girls. You know what I mean? I think this will be so cute together. Love that I paired it with this cute vintage purse that I got from the thrift store years ago, y'all. The purse is so gorgeous. Not one bead has fallen off of this purse. It has been holding up so well. That's the word I'm looking for. Love this jeans that I got from the thrift store. Got from thrifting, brand new. The Tory Burch belts just add so much more flair to the cardigan. It makes the cardigan looks just so impeccable, and it doesn't look like just a plain Walmart looking type of cardigan. It looks like, girl, I just got this from, what's that place called? The store, Cato's. Maybe Cato's, or maybe Neiman. You know what I'm saying? Or Nordstrom. I just got this cardigan from Nordstrom. It definitely doesn't give Walmart. It gives Nordstrom. The way it has been elevated and the details of this beautiful cardigan is just a plain, honestly, this is really like a plain waterfall cardigan, but with a twist because of the button detail. And that is what add to this cardigan. This is what makes the cardigan looks more expensive and more well crafted, and more looks. Love it. So let me give you guys a 360. Hold on. You made it? I mean, you made it. Okay, so with the cardigan, I paired it with this nice, beautiful yellow, kind of like a faded, but then again, it's very bright. But it is a cotton pencil skirt that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it's so gorgeous with the back slits. And I think this is so gorgeous paired with this white top and this black statement belt with the chunky jewelry and my Tory Burch canvas and leather bag. I mean canvas and why did I say leather? It is canvas and suede bag with this beautiful, I don't know, chain detail. Gorgeous, girl. And the python print on it as well. So it's like leather and suede with the canvas material. It's so cute. And my black and gold pointed toe pumps. So cute, from Aldo. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys would like to see more tutorials slash styling videos like this. I promise you next time the quality of the video will be better. Y'all be blessed. Peace.